Ever needed to work on your WordPress site without showing unfinished pages and frustrated visitors? Let's get your site into maintenance mode quickly and professionally. First, we'll head over to your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side menu. Hover over Plugins and then click on Add New. This is where we'll find a tool to manage our maintenance mode. In the search bar at the top right of the Plugins page, type in Maintenance. You'll see a variety of options appear. Look for a well-rated and recently updated plugin like WP Maintenance Mode and Coming Soon, or a similar popular choice. Once you've found a suitable plugin, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install it for you after the installation is complete. Instead of Install Now, you'll see an Activate button. Go ahead and click that. With the plugin activated, you'll now see a new menu item, usually related to the plugin's name. Click on it to access its settings. For our example, we'll click on Maintenance. On the plugin's settings page, the most important option is usually a toggle or checkbox to enable maintenance mode. Click this to switch it on. You'll typically see a confirmation that it's now active. This is also where you can craft your message to visitors. You can tell them you're undergoing updates, provide an estimated time of return, or even offer a contact link. Make it friendly and informative. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply all your settings. That's it. Your website is now in maintenance mode, ensuring a smooth experience for your visitors while you work your magic behind the scenes.